My name is George Farah. I'm the founding partner of Farah Law. We've been in existence for 17 years now. Our principal office is in Houston, Texas, with offices in El Paso, the Rio Grande Valley, and southern New Mexico. We have 6 lawyers in our firm, and we practice catastrophic injury cases, slip and fall cases, dram shop cases, general type personal injury cases. Originally, I started as an insurance defense lawyer, and I realized quickly that I was not meant to defend big, powerful insurance companies. I didn't like how they operated. I need to be on the other side because I need to help these people against these large insurance companies.
My name is Maled Kaiser Farah. I'm a personal injury attorney with Farah Law. I've been working in our industry for over 2 decades. I think it's important that your attorney has experience for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, you want them to be able to help guide you through the process. There are a lot of missteps that can happen in a personal injury case that will impact the value of your recovery. And if you don't have somebody that understands that, they're not going to be able to walk you through the process.
We hold our client's hand throughout the whole process of their case. So we're always there to communicate with them. That's our number one priority, is communication. So we really prioritize keeping them informed each step we take, from pre-lit all the way to litigation to trial. And that really helps our relationship with them.
My brother and I grew up in a very unique situation in the sense that we were born to a humble family. We're first-generation Americans. It's the most important thing, above work, above money, above anything, is we care about people. We care about the people that we work with, and we care about the people that we represent.
One of the things that I found was there's a lot of people that didn't have access to support and help when they were in a legal situation. And I felt that I'm a type of person that really connects with people on a personal level, and I wanted to be able to help people. Litigation and car crashes and death cases are very stressful. They're very serious. Wrongful death cases are some of the most difficult cases, not just because of the complexity of the law, but just of the emotion that comes out of it with the surviving family members. You have to approach it with emotional intelligence and sensitivity when you're dealing with the surviving spouse and their children. A lot of times lawyers come in like, well, we can get you money and we can get you this great result. That's not what they care about. They care about, how am I gonna be able to take care of my family? What are things that you can do, that we can do to talk about supporting us while we go through this process? How will you support us through this process?
Our firm is a very diverse place, and that's by design. We have a diverse client base, and we want to make sure that they're all represented. Having that diversity has allowed us to address some of our clients' needs and concerns.
It's been a pleasure to watch the firm, Farah Law Group, expand during my time with them. We've expanded not just geographically in all the offices that we have, but seeing it expand or grow in terms of its prominence and the stage that we're on, both in Texas and also now in New Mexico, and being able to be a part of that has been extremely satisfying.
It's very important that our office is bilingual, not only in the Rio Grande Valley, but throughout Texas and New Mexico. A large percentage of our clients are bilingual or only speak Spanish.
It's our clients' lives, our clients' rights, and we make that our number one priority. That's the primary goal, and that's stated in our motto, your rights, your life, our priority. I view leadership as a personal responsibility that I have to people that are close to me and the people that work for me. And I believe in servant leadership. I believe you need to show your team members that you're willing to do the things that are necessary to make your clients' lives much better after they got to your firm.
George Farah is really an ideal leader. He makes the people that work for him, including myself, feel like leaders themselves. And he doesn't just make us feel that way, he empowers us to be leaders ourselves. And I think that's the true mark of leadership.
Working for George and Maled is a blessing. They are great leaders for our firm and for our staff. They lead by example, and they really offer us great opportunities to grow and be better lawyers.
Practicing law with my brother has been a very fun experience. He and I are very similar in a lot of respects, but we're also very different. He's very laid back, I'm very intense. And I think with that, it balances us out because my intensity is what helps move our files along. And his ability to navigate tough situations is what helps us be creative.
I feel very fortunate to be able to work with my brother. We have a great relationship. We've done a good job of balancing our brotherhood versus our professional responsibilities. Farah in Middle Eastern culture means happiness. And I want to bring that to our clients and to the team members that work for us.